Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I've had a ton of requests on how I figure out GPS coordinates for my wood signs, and I actually struggle with that a little bit when I first started making these. So I figured, why not make a quick video, and this will probably be like the fastest video ever on how I make my GPS coordinate signs. So I used to use a website, but I found that it might not be the most accurate. So I've come to find that Google Maps, I think, is probably the best way to go, the best place to find your coordinates, and I'll show you how. So you're going to start off by going to Google Maps. Okay, and if you already know your address, you're just going to type it here in the search bar. For my example, I'm just going to do, I don't know if you've ever been there, but Pretty Place. It is a place in South Carolina that is gorgeous. So let's just pretend that you met the love of your life there and you're wanting to make a sign of the coordinates. As you can see, it's a beautiful place looking over mountains and whatever else. So let's just say that this is the place you wanted to find coordinates for. So when you type in your address, you're going to see right here, there's going to be a red dot in your location. So we're going to go ahead and zoom in as far as we can. And I hover my mouse over it, and you're going to right click. And you can see at the very top, there's going to be some coordinates there. And those are like latitude, longitude coordinates. I use it a little bit differently, but if you want these coordinates, this is all you'll need. But mine are a little bit different. I have the north and west. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And as you can see down here, it says it copied to your clipboard. So then I'm going to go over here to the very top of my search bar, click X, and I'm going to paste that into my search bar and hit search. So now, as you can see, it is the same address down here, and it just gave you your coordinates right here. So I'm going to highlight this with my mouse and right click, copy. So now it's copied, and it is ready for you to go paste into your Silhouette Studio or Cricut or whatever you're wanting to make your wood sign with. That is all you need. And I will go ahead and tell you though, there are some addresses that once you do this step right here, the address down here kind of goes and defaults to either something very close, or it'll be an entire road and it'll say from this address to this address. That is something I don't think that you can really fix. I think that some addresses are just a general location, but if your customer or if whoever has the sign goes and Googles those coordinates, it will always be hovering over that exact house or address or whatever. So it is accurate, at least to my knowledge, to my abilities. That is the way that I do it. So anyways, now we're gonna go ahead and head on into Silhouette Studio, and I'll kind of show you what I do from there to make the wood signs. Okay, I'm in Silhouette Studio now, and all I have to do is click on my mat, right click, and paste. And I don't know where it pasted to. Here they are. So here are my coordinates. And all I usually do now is I highlight it. I will go up here and I will change the font. And then it's usually all grouped together, like there's no spaces. So I'll go in here after the little degree symbol and I'll hit a space. After this, I'll hit a space. And then I like to move my north and west. I'll put my west right above the west, and I'll put north right above the 35 up here. And there you go. There's the coordinates, and then I'll put a home font above it, and that is how I make my coordinate signs. So super easy, very easy to come along. And also, if you guys are wondering I get a lot of questions too on how you make the little degree symbol, and all you have to do, you go and you click where you want the degree symbol and you hold down Alt 0176, and there you have it. That is how, at least on Windows, you make the degree symbol. And I looked it up, and on Mac you hit Option Shift 8. So that is how you make the degree symbol, and then everything else is just normal computer keys that you probably already know how to use. If you're wanting to also just double check your coordinates, or you want to see exactly what your customer or whoever you gave the sign to will see, you can go ahead and just highlight it and copy and paste it into Google. And this is what mostly everybody, I feel like almost everybody uses Google, am I right? Paste it into Google, enter, And as you can see here, this is what they will see when they click the Google Maps. It will pop right up at the exact location that we were at, so the pretty place. So I know that this video was probably extremely short, but I just wanted to share with you guys exactly how you do this, because I know it can get a little confusing and you want to make sure it's right. But this is how I've been doing it for the last year or so that I've been doing these signs, and it's been accurate. So I used to use a website called gpscoordinates.net. And sometimes I would put that into Google Maps and it wouldn't be exact. So I just figured Google Maps are probably pretty accurate. Y'all let me know down in the comments if you have another way to find coordinates that are maybe easier or more accurate. I'm always happy to learn new things and to up my game a little bit. So if you guys know that, then let me know. But I hope that y'all enjoyed this very short video, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.